After posting our adjusted journal entries to the general ledger and updating our T account balances, we can prepare an adjusted trial balance. Remember that an adjusted trial balance is an internal document only, meaning that only employees of the company will view this document. We use this document to help make sure that we have posted everything correctly. Recall that a trial balance is not foolproof and will not catch every mistake, but is a good way to make sure that all of our accounts are in balance and our account balances look reasonable. This is an essential step of the accounting cycle. On our trial balance, we will list balance sheet accounts first, then retained earnings statement accounts, then income statement accounts. We simply pull the ending balances from our general ledger, or our T accounts, and plug them into our trial balance. So starting with our balance sheet accounts, we'll begin with assets. Our first asset is cash. The balance in cash is $19,600. Cash debit balance of $19,600. Then we'll list our asset account, accounts receivable. The balance is $3,900 debit. Office supplies and prepaid insurance. The balances are $150 and $1,650 debit. Then we have the truck account and its related contra asset account accumulated depreciation. Moving on to liabilities, we have unearned revenue and salaries payable with credit balance of $700 and $1,600. Remember, we list credit balances in the right side credit column on our trial balance. Next is common stock with a credit balance of $33,000 and dividends with a debit balance of $3,000. Then we move on to our income statement accounts, revenues, and expenses. Service revenue has a credit balance of $11,700. Expenses are listed in order of magnitude. Largest expenses first. Salaries expense has a debit of $2,900. And rent expense has a debit balance of $1,900. Depreciation expense has a debit balance of $1,750. Supplies expense has a debit balance of $550. Fuel expense has a debit balance of $200. And finally, insurance expense has a debit balance of $150. Now that we have entered the balances of all of our accounts into our trial balance, we can check to see if our debits equal our credits. Add up our debit column. The total is $48,750. Add up our credit column. The balance is $48,750. Our trial balance is in balance.